when it was not time to do it. Oh, it's upside down.
Oh, look at that.
Big basketball.
Do you want to play basketball?
Wow.
You can do it. You can stack those up yourself.
Play basketball?
Do you want to play basketball? Okay, let me figure out what Mommy needs to do. However, right here on top.
What's
that?
Woohoo! I don't know. We'll maybe save this part for later.
It has 11 steps.
Yes. I'll just put it in the hallway. We'll do it later. I don't even know where I'm going to put it. Probably in front of the African Cajun story.